Hi guys. So ano kita project engine rebuild ni guys. So Volkswagen Golf 2012 model. Sa nakita nyo ito na natin bilasaan maalang lahat ng isa dahil tatanggalin natin yung makina nito and then dadalhin sa labas dito na nilapag sa side kasi i-rebuild natin ito, like papalit tayo ng bulbs, steam bulb seals, and then piston rings, bearing, rod, whatever. So i-check natin yung kanyang connecting rod kung yung connecting rod niya is mayroong sira, or if walang sira it might be top overhaul lang ito. Pero pagka nakitaan tayo na hindi pantay yung kanyang piston, once natanggal na natin yung kanyang cylinder head, tapos ilagay natin yung top dead center ng piston 1, cylinder 1 and 4, kung it have the same height, the same level on the piston head, the same as the 3 and 4 cylinder head and cylinder piston, and if they are like level or balance, like piston clearance, piston head clearance, they have the same clearance and they are balanced, then there's no need for us to change the piston, and we also look after also the bore, the liner. If there are scores on the liner or scratches on the liner, then we might rebuild as well the engine block and everything, change the liner and everything. But we will see how we will see what's going in this engine, because this engine it has a head gasket problem. So like when you start the engine, it's blowing up white smoke, fog of white smoke. That means it has a problem of head gasket. And also notice that if you put up coolant here, there's no pressure build up in the coolant, no bubbles. I mean there's no like the coolant, it has a pressure, it has like bubbly in the expansion tank. So there are two things to confirm whether or not you have a head gasket blown or head gasket problem. Like this is the expansion tank here. You put coolant on it, and then when you start the engine, it will comes out pressure here, like bubbles. That means it has a head gasket problem. And another thing, when you start the engine, it blowing white smoke, which is tailpipe blowing white smoke, part of white smoke blowing from this head gasket. So this is now we're going to unmount all the things here. The hardest thing to do here is there is no on the exhaust system, there is no like plugs that we can like disconnect from there. as you can see here, put the lights on. There's no plans that can disconnect into the exhaust. You cannot disconnect the exhaust because there's no plans like for the coupling, no plans, whatever. So that's the hardest thing to do here. We're gonna undo the turbo in order to separate this DPF, and then we're gonna clean also the DPF beforehand, but that take a long time. So bumigay talaga yung engine. So yan, rebuild natin to. So hopefully we're gonna have little circuit here, but 100% that the cylinder head has to be steel. 100% has to be steel. And then once we undo the cylinder, the head off, then we're gonna put like a measurement also on the engine block if it is balanced, or we make sure that the engine block shortways have no warping or whatever, because as I mentioned, this engine has trouble with the head gasket. So hopefully we will pick it up. So we go along here. So sumali po ako sa ating programa Engine Rebel. Isa ka bang dito, lima po ako dito dahil yung kanyang injector number 4 nag-seize po, yung 1 and 2 natanggal na, itong 3 ayos pa ito, tanggal pa ito, but ito talaga number 4 is napakatigas po. So it might have been like kind of impacting to undo the thing, or we do it in the hardest way, like put strain here, and then we get the engine crane, and then we're gonna pull this out through the engine crane using the string tied up, and then that's the hardest thing, but we won't go further back yet, because this is enough story here. They have the same procedures on the rebuild, but they have, the only thing is they have different types of head torques, no? Head bolts, head torques. The main thing here, you put it back on, you make sure that everything sounds like samahan nyo ako. So this is the solution now. We're gonna have to rebuild the engine because it has a head gasket problem. Again, to determine that you have the head gasket problem, when you start the engine, and then the expansion pump has so much pressure in it, built up pressure, and then it's kind of bubbles going on. It's like a volcano which is being erupted. The bubbles going on, and if second thing to do, start the engine and there is fog with white smoke on the tailpipe, then that's coolant. So then that has to, engine has to go to that. That's guys, that's the symptoms of head gasket, blown head gasket. Thank you.